Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Filming this on Valentine's Day. Apologise for the state of myself, but I've been to the gym, got home, well, I had a shower at the gym, so I've not done anything. So this is pure natural Italian beauty. Hashtag natural beauty. I just want to show you a few bits. I've got some there, some flowers for Jamie for Valentine's, and there's some daffodils in the window. Today, video requested by the lovely Evelyn. We're going to do some hidden paper clips. I've not done a video for a long time, but yeah, keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Guys, well, you watched this the day after, but I'm filming this on Valentine's Day. I hope you had a lovely Valentine's Day with your friends, your family, your pets, whoever you got next to you, your loved ones. Jamie has requested he loves lemon cakes. I'm not very a lemony person. I'm more like a chocolate person, as you could probably see. I love my chocolate. I'm not too fussy about lemony, orangey. You see, to me, fruit is one thing and dessert is another thing. So fruity flavors are not, I don't really fancy. So if you give me an ice cream, it's got to be like chocolate ice cream, hazelnut ice cream, I don't know, caramel ice cream. I don't do this strawberry ice cream, this lemon ice cream, this nonsense. No. That's no. Sorry if you like them, but it's just on me. So I'll show you the cake at the end of this video. Anyway, so today we're going to play with my mini kit that is called Opulent Ephemera. It's 4 pages, and the idea of this project has been given to me by the lovely Evelyn Ann. She left me a comment in one of my videos when I did the banners paperclip. In case you missed the video, I will link it down below, so if you guys want, go back and have a look. On that video, we played, I haven't got them in here actually, we decorated the bigger long XXL paper clips. And on that video, Evelyn's asked, oh, what about if you do the exact same concept but with hidden paper clips? You ask and I do. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these hidden paper clips. So hidden because you can't see them, and the paper clip is inside. And the gist of this is that, let's pretend that this is a page of your book. You slide this out or in. So this is what our paper clip looks like. You can't see the paper clip, but this is the page of your book. You slide this in, and then you simply press it down. So I used the napkin folding technique, if it's like that. So this is 6x6 paper. This is slightly smaller. It's a 5x5, and look how cute they are. So I'll glue them diagonally, and I'll glue this straight, but I'll show you that in just a minute. Again, so that's the page of your book. You turn around, and that works as a bookmark. Or you can put, like, I don't know, embellishment. If you have a greetings card, you can put that on and put some embellishment or some money. If you want to do like a cash wallet, you can use this as you want. I left them quite plain, if you want to call it like that, because it's all about the paper. But you can decorate this. Like, you can go to town with this. You can put embellishment, you can put more paper in it, you can put some lace, diamonds, pearls, anything. But because I wanted the paper to be showcased, I left it like that. Now when you open the napkin fold, you can even put a message inside, or again a little gift, maybe like a gift card, maybe a note, some money, anything like that. Just be mindful that yes, it's shut down, but it doesn't shut down like properly. So you might, if you get money in it, you probably want to put like something that will close it down completely, otherwise it gets a bit loose. But the whole point of this is this to be more like a bookmark, if you wish, like a hidden paper clip. So that is the gist of it. Okay, so before I show you how to make them, and I'm very conscious that when I was making them, I thought, oh my god, you guys not gonna see anything. So I will show you how to make them using some plain cardstock. So I've just picked this yellow because I noticed that the lighter the cardstock is, the better you guys see it on camera. But let me show you the kit. So the kit is 4 pages, and I got a Friday freebie coming on Friday. I have designed a freebie for you guys which will complement this kit. This has very been a quite popular kit, so thank you so much guys for purchase it. It's part of the minis. So the mini kits that I got on my website are 4 pages. You get 4 pages, but they're very, very, very cheap and affordable. So this one, as I said, is called Opulent Ephemera. So you get 4 pages. I printed back to front because of this project. I needed to be double-sided. So that's 1 page, and you get a mixture of tickets, ephemera, flowers, painting, and I kept it. I wanted to be quite pinky, but with an accent of green and gold. So that is the 2nd page. On the PDF, you get the 4 pages together. So it's up to you if you print it back to front or if you can print them as a separate pages. So that depends how you want to do it. So that's the 2nd page. I've got your floral there, your menu imagery there, and then I just put some ephemera and I layer them in a way that all blends together. This is page number 3. It's probably my favorite page. You've got some black and white pictures as well as the really colorful ones. You've got a cheeky butterfly here in the corner. Yeah, I had lots of good feedback about this kit. I know how much you guys have liked it because I've got quite a lot of orders with this. And then this is page number 4. There is a British flag. I put some bingo cards, missing the word, and some more tickets on the background. Okay, so 4 pages. Super easy. Now I'm going to show you how to make those 2. Okay guys, now because I'm conscious that you won't be able to see anything if I do it on a printer paper, I'm going to show you how to make the napkin fold on just like a plain cardstock, so you'll be able to see better how it works. This is 6x6 and this is 6x6 as well, so it will be exactly the same. So the starting point, guys, is a square. Okay, so mine again is 6x6, so yours can be anything. And a big shout out goes to my new scoring tool, treated myself from Stampin' Up. It wasn't cheap, but I wanted it, and I can see why everybody loves it because it's so steady. You got 6 there, and then it goes 12 on that side. And also you got the measurement on this side. So of course this is in inches. You could get it's like a similar tool with in centimeters for metric measurement, but I work in inches because it's easy. So 6x6, as you can see. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to score it at bear with 1.5. Almost lost my count. 1.5 and 4.5. Oops, don't be like me. And then rotate it, you do exactly the same. So 1.5 and 4.5. Okay, what I need you guys to do now is mark it on each side at 3 inches, which is the middle bit. So a little mark. You don't have to fold like to score it, you just need to mark it at 3 inches. Okay, so let me just put these out of the way. Oops. So you get something. Oh yeah, you can see the score line. So you've got 1.5 and 4.5 on both sides. Now what we need to do, we're going to get the diagonal lines. So with your ruler, I got my baby shark ruler. I don't know where my metal ruler is. It used to be next to me on my desk, and I don't know where it's gone. It's probably going to better places, but I don't know. Jamie's not pinched it because if he borrows something, he will ask me, not permission, but like to let me know that he's got it. I don't know. It was there. Mystery. As I said in one of the videos a while ago, do you guys get the crafty fairies that come overnight? I got crafty fairies that come overnight because I leave things on the desk. The following day, not there, and it's not me and it's not Jamie, so I think it's the night fairies. They're a bit naughty. So Right, so what we need to do, we now need to embellish all the score line. Start one by one, including the diagonal lines. So you end up with something that looks like an envelope. Now, I think it's better if I don't talk because I'm rubbish in explaining things. But let me show you. It looks complicated, but honestly, guys, it's really easy. So fold one of the side inwards, lift. So you got to fold this bit here on this diagonal line there. So you've got to pinch that up, fold it inwards and fold it. I think I'm gonna shush. I'm going to put some music on. Okay, so let me show you. So I open the side for you. So fold this down. You see this diagonal line, that one. Okay, so keep that down and fold it up. Okay, and then this diagonal line here goes inside, and then you get the square. Okay, so you want to get 4 squares, and I don't know if it's better if you keep watching the videos without me talking. So I'll do it one more time. So this diagonal line, keep like your thumb, like this finger there down. With this, lift it up. Okay, so you get a fold, and then this one here goes inside. You press it inwards like that. So if I do on this side, that's the diagonal line. Press that down, lift that up, and then push this down. Okay, so you get something that looks like that. So the 4 squares are coming up, and then what I did is simply folded the triangles down so that it works as handles if you wish. To be fair, guys, is easier on a plain cardstock because on printed paper you don't really see the score lines, but once you get the gist of it, I suggest do some trials and errors with some cardstock, some scraps that you have. Once you get the gist of this, all the folding lines, then use it on the printed paper because you don't want to waste your ink. Don't know what's happened here. That wasn't straight. Okay, so that's the napkin fold. How to put the paper clips. So I've done tons of videos about hidden paper clips, as I said, but the mechanism is actually quite straightforward. So you just need, I've got one here, 2 rectangular pieces. Now you can put it on here. In fact, let me show you how to make them first. So you just fold it in a half. Okay, don't measure, don't do anything, just check that is, yeah, literally, look how lucky, just. Okay, so you want to slightly trim it down a bit. Okay, adhere your paper clip. It doesn't matter which way, it doesn't matter if you put this way or that way, it will still work. And then we need another piece. I'm going to cut it from this side, roughly there. I don't think it's anything that straight, but it would do. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I just need to trim it slightly down a bit, like a whisper. Okay, so that's the little piece of paper with a hidden paper clip. Now you need your glue. With this project, you cannot be tight with your glue. You just need to put as much glue as you possibly can, because you want those 2 layers to be adhered together. Okay, so don't be tight. Just be very generous with your glue. She will forgive you for that, but you really want quite a little glue in here. Okay, so you put this side, and we just put the clip on the bottom, and then we put glue on this side now. Again, as I said, be generous, don't be tight. Okay, that's about it, I think. Then you press that down. You want those 2 layers to be perfectly glued together. Okay, I will give a couple of minutes until it dry perfectly. Okay, and that is the mechanism, if you want to call it mechanism, of the hidden paperclip. Because let's pretend that this is the page of your book. You just pull that on, and you, of course, you want to see the paperclip. Okay, now what I did, the larger one, I guess it was, yeah, so the large one I put it diagonally, so that was the paperclip, and I put it like that. On the other one, I put it like that straight, so you get 2 effect. See, that's with the paper folding diagonally, and that's in a square. So whatever the look you fancy most. And don't worry, because when you put the books into it, the page of the book and the weight of the books, you're gonna flat it down. But again, you just need to lift it up, because I can put, look, if I put pressure on it, it will still remain the same. And what you do, you just lift it up like that. Okay, you can even put a message in there if you wish to. Okay, so just to show you, let me just put that there, just with some glue. Okay, I'm just going to put it like that, and that will be, let me close the glue down, and that is your hidden paperclip. Okay guys, apologize about the light in here. It's like late afternoon, so I just got the it looks like yellow light. But anyway, this is the cake. It's huge. It's quite tall. I want to say it's like 3 inches tall. I'm not bothered about decorating it because it's just me and him. But yeah, so that's his favorite cake. So it's 2 layers of sponge, and then this is like a buttercream with lemon. I'm probably gonna get told off about this decoration because he doesn't like sugar sprinkles, but it's fine. It's just because I didn't want to leave it like really plain, but I will probably get told off because of that. No, in all seriousness, it's huge. Yeah, I wish you were here so we can have a slice each, and you guys probably can sit down on my living room, have a cup of tea with me, and have some chit chat. But yeah, so that was the cake. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider leaving a very big thumbs up, because it helps the channel and also helps the video doing well too. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It's free and it showed me so much love and support. I've done a video a while ago, I think it was last year, very similar to this, and instead of the napkin folding on top, we did some pinwheel as a decoration for hidden paper clips. I will put the video linked somewhere here on the screen if you guys want to go and check it out. And until Friday freebie, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.